Hi everyone, we're here at Leach Camper Sales of Lincoln, and we are in the 1995 Jayco Eagle 277 RB fifth wheel. Let's take a look. Starting up at the front in this fifth wheel, we do have the bedroom. It's quite the nice sized bed with some storage all the way around. And there is a wardrobe. The bedroom is separated by this screen that pulls across the doorway. Moving on, we have the entertainment center. In the one slide, there is a sofa that I believe pulls down into a bed, and a booth dinette. At the back, there is a sliding door that goes to the bathroom, and a sink, and a tub shower. On this side, we have the foot flush toilet and some more storage. The thermostat is located on the wall just outside the bathroom. Moving into the kitchen area, we do have some storage around the RV refrigerator. Has that nice wood paneling on it. Microwave, range hood right above the 3-burner stove and oven. Lots of under sink storage. It is a double weld sink. There are some cabinets above. There is a media player underneath the sink counter as well. And right on the wall next to the door are all of the switches and controls. Let's check out the outside. Here's the outside of this 95 Jayco fifth wheel. It does have an awning, some outside lights, a folding assist handle, and triple folding stairs. There's a spare tire carrier on the back, along with the roof ladder. There's that one slide that's on the driver's side. If you would like to see this or any of our other fifth wheels, you can come down to our lot. We're on the corner of 27th and Cornhusker Highway, or all of our inventory is available to view online at leachrv.com.